Are you ready to elevate your designs to the next level? Look no further than our versatile Direkt Stencil Font. Whether you're working on signage, DIY projects, street art, or graphic design, this stencil font are perfect for adding a touch of industrial chic or modern flair. Why choose this font? Bold and distinctive, stand out with clear, impactful lettering. Easy to use, ideal for both beginners and pros, suitable for various methods including spray painting, screen printing, and laser cutting. Versatile design, perfect for everything from urban art to elegant crafts. High quality, crisp, clean lines ensure a professional finish every time. Join the creative revolution and let your project speak volumes. Get your stencil fonts today and watch your creativity soar. Download now and start transforming your designs with the power of Direkt Stencil Font.